This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG, Jay, and you know who you are, and I got some coffee. Yeah, I finally got some coffee. Thank you for everyone who has gone to my coffee page, and that's coffee as in Kofi. And everyone who's gone over there and bought me a cup of coffee, I really do appreciate it. You guys are awesome. You're wonderful. And anybody who hasn't done that and is thinking about doing it, there's a link in my description. You can go over to my coffee page and just buy me a cup of coffee. It costs like $2. You can buy more, but just a cup of coffee is $2. That's nice. I like that. So I just get up a few minutes ago, just got up, not get up. I'm very tired. I went to bed about 1 o'clock last night and trying to get everything ready and for today, because today is day 3 of the trailer flip, and it's about 7:45. So I'm probably not going to get a whole lot of sleep for the next few days, and I can do that for a little while. I mean, when I was in my 20s, I could do that for a very long time. Right now, I'm a little older, just a little bit, and I'm going to need to take a break here probably in a few days. But for now, hey, going strong. Got some more tools ready, put them in the car already, getting that ready to go. And first thing I got to do this morning is take a shower, because nobody wants to be around me today, I can tell you that. But I'm going to do that, then head on out to the trailer. And hopefully we're going to have some people there today. I think I have Miranda coming. I don't know if her friend's coming today, but she might. I think I have a friend of mine with a brush cutter. And who knows? Somebody else might show up. I don't know. But I'm going to get over there and get started. And, you can come along with me. So let's head on over to the trailer, and today we'll see if we can't get a little bit more video and introduce you to some more of the people. And I've met some of the neighbors too. I really like the neighbors. Maybe we can get them to say a couple of words. So that would be cool. Let's get it done. All right, I'll see you over there. I'm going right now. Bye.
Okay, we are back, or I am back. There was a few people here just a few minutes ago, and they came and got the damn couch and chair. So I am pretty happy about that. So today I'm going to do a little bit more on the frame. I'm waiting for somebody else to show up so they can help me get what I'm doing installed. In the meantime, I've got plenty to do, and I actually found some hinges. Brand new, here they are, brand new hinges that will be going on the cupboards that go up there on all the doors. So that's nice, and I've got plenty. I have 10 cupboards, and I've got I think 13 sets of hinges. So I'll even have a few left over. That's nice. Looks a lot better here in the daytime. I'm gonna check out the back bedroom, where we did this test piece here. That looks really good. It takes about 5 coats of Kills to go on there. Jerdon had a little bit of trouble yesterday getting coverage, but I don't think he was waiting long enough between coats. So we're gonna, new strategy. We'll put on a coat, wait, let it dry, and then put another one on, and I think we're gonna have better luck. So that's awesome. Now I'm just waiting for somebody else to show up with a brush cutter, and we can get started on the outside. And any second now, I'm supposed to have a drone flying over. Jerdon said yesterday, well, actually said this morning, he was going to be over here with the drone. So I'm waiting for that as well. So hopefully we can get some video of that too. So I'm going to get set up here, and I'll show you, what's going on during the day. Miranda will not be back today. She kind of injured her shoulder yesterday trying to help somebody move some furniture. She wasn't working here, but she's going to take today off and rest it up a little bit, and I think she'll be back tomorrow. So This might be a quiet day for just me here for most of it, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, I thought I'd help out Jerdon just a little bit with his painting, and this is actually one coat of Kills. And he did a good job yesterday, especially with the ceilings. He's worth every penny for the ceilings. But I guess I have to work with him a little bit. He takes direction really well, but I didn't give him any direction, so it's not his fault. It's not his, you know. I should have spent a little bit of time with him because he does a good job, but I know he's going to do a great job later. And you can see that this covers a lot better when you've had a little bit of experience on how to use it, and I do. I painted many places. My problem is I have arthritis, so I'm only good for about one wall, and then I have to stop, and then I might be able to do another wall, and then I have to stop, and so on and so forth. But that's coming out really nice. I think we're only going to have to do a couple of coats. And when Jerdon comes back here tomorrow, I'll show him what I know, and hopefully he'll be able to finish this up even quicker than I thought it was going to be. So don't get me wrong, he does a good job, especially with the ceilings. You got ceilings to paint? Call Jerdon. All right, I had to leave for a little while. I left for about an hour. I'm not going to put in 12 hours today. Can't do it. I think I'll be just over 8, but that's okay. Mostly by myself today. We did have Jerdon show up a little bit to do the flyby with the drone, and that was kind of cool. And David, my friend, he stopped by and did some weed whacking for us, so that's pretty good. Got that done. The walls are coming out really nice in here, and one of the things I said earlier was that I didn't really give anybody any guidance as far as painting is concerned. So, you know, everybody that works for me does a really good job of taking direction, but I didn't give them any direction, especially Jerdon. I had just let him go, and you know, that's my fault, that's my bad. So, I also learned that Jerdon watches every one of my videos, and he doesn't skip ahead, he watches the whole thing. I could quiz him on it, and he knows everything that's on there, which is cool. Thank you, that's awesome, wonderful. So, if you're watching the video tomorrow, I'm going to show you a little thing. Now, Jerdon's going to be coming by tomorrow, but before he does, I'm going to show you just a little thing here on how to make a roller full of paint spread out better. Okay, so watch this. All right, this is called the V method. Some people call it the W method. I don't do that. I do V's. But let me show you. First, you got to get a roller full of paint. Here we have a roller full of paint. Make a V. Make another V. Keep on doing that until you get your coverage. And then go up and down so all the paint's going in the same direction. Here's the next thing. There's molding right here. There's a little piece of molding right there. And it makes a little hump, so when you put the roller over it, it doesn't get both sides of it. So you just take your brush, and you just fill that in. Now down here, same thing. So right here, do one of these. There. That's quite a bit of coverage. Oh, one little spot up there. So after you've made your V's and you've covered the wall, make sure you go up and down with it so all the paint goes the same way. It's like a grain on a piece of wood, right? You want to go the same way. And it'll look better when it's done. These here, this is where the brush was. Remember when I do the second coat or when I put the actual paint on there, that'll fill that up nice and it will look pretty good. So, Jerdon, I hope you're paying attention, and I'll go over it with you again just in case you didn't watch this video. But that's just one little quick painting tip. Hope it was useful. Man, I should open up a window. Okay, that's going to do it for me tonight. As you can see, not much time has gone by, and I've done quite a bit. And I've got some over here. The one thing to remember when you're painting, whether you're painting the walls or you're painting a car or whatever you're painting, don't try to cover it up all with one coat. If you try to do that, you get runs, sags, it looks terrible. You put it on a nice thin coat, let it dry. Don't try to put another coat on until it is dry. It can't be tacky anymore. And once it's dry, hey, do it again. This is just one coat of Kills on that black paint. And it's not bad. So that's pretty cool. So do one coat at a time. Use the V method. That will get you good coverage, as you can see. And another trick that I can't do right now because I forgot to bring the freezer bags with me, but if you have freezer bags, you take your roller off your you take the, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. You take the roller off the handle, you put that in a freezer bag, seal it up, set it on the floor somewhere or wherever you want to set it. The next day when you come back, it'll be nice and moist. You can still use it to paint with. It won't be all dried out. You can do the same thing with your brushes. Put your brushes in a airtight bag, seal it up. It's good for the next day. Now you can't probably do that for 6 or 7 months or a year or whatever, but for a couple of days, it works really, really well, and you don't have to keep cleaning out your brushes. You don't have to put paint down your sink if you're cleaning it in the sink, and you don't have to throw your brushes away and buy new ones all the time, and that's what a lot of people do. Let's be honest. But for right now, I'm going to bring over some plastic bags tomorrow so we can start doing that. And I think tomorrow when Jerdon gets here, he's just going to have a little bit here to do. He can probably do one more coat, and then we'll be able to paint the actual paint, which we haven't got yet, but we're going to get it tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm sweating like a pig, and I'm going to go home. No offense to any of the pigs out there, but I'm sweating really badly. And it's hot in here. And that's going to do it for today. I think I'm about, I don't know, 8.5, 9 hours, something like that. So not as much as I did yesterday or the day before, but that's okay. It's good to take a little bit of a break because I'm an old fella, you know? I'm an old guy. So this old guy is going to jump back in his car and go over to my trailer hood, and I'll see you over there. How's that? Let's go.
And that puts an end to day 3 of the trailer build. And yeah, it was a lot of work today. I was there by myself for the most part. A friend of mine came over and did some brush cutting for me. That was great. Jerdon came over and did the flyby with the drone. That was awesome. But as far as doing the work inside the trailer, that was all me. And it made me realize, I mean, I've done these before, and every time I flipped a trailer before, I didn't have a crew. I didn't have any help. I didn't have anybody except for maybe one or two friends who would come over and paint once in a while. There was one lady who used to help me out a little bit. But I didn't really have a crew. I did it mostly by myself. And that's what it felt like today. And I got to tell you, it's nice having people around, especially the young people I have around me. They give me energy, and they help me out in ways they can't imagine. They don't know a whole lot as far as construction and building. Miranda, she knows all about cleaning up houses after they've had smoke damage, fire damage, that sort of thing. She does that. She did it for a living, so she's really good at that. Everything else, she has to learn it as she goes along, just like Jerdon. Jerdon someday is going to be a millionaire. He's going to invent a musical app that's going to revolutionize the world. I'm telling you. But right now he's not a great painter, but he's going to be good enough for me. But he's awesome, and he takes direction, and all the people that have been working with me, they're wonderful, and it's nice to have that around and to have that support. I'm not used to that. Today I got to do a bunch of stuff by myself, and I missed everybody. I really did. So it'll be nice to have them back tomorrow. I've got a good friend of mine, Gary's coming over with his truck and his trailer, and we're going to get some supplies over at the Home Depot, or as my dad used to call it, the Home Depot. And then I think I have Jared coming over to do some more painting. Miranda may be over to do some more cleaning. Her tiny friend, I don't know if she's coming over or not. I hope she does. She does a good job too at cleaning and that sort of stuff. So I don't know what any of these guys can do yet, because they haven't tried a lot of things that that we need to get done. They haven't done it before. So I have to take a better look at myself, and I have to do a better job of giving them some direction and helping them along the way. And I'll tell you, this is going to be a great success. I really think it is. So that's where we end up today. This is day 3. I look forward to day 4. I hope you come along with us in this journey, and stop by again tomorrow. Check out the video and see what we're up to tomorrow. What kind of trouble can I get up to tomorrow? Some of the painting stuff today, especially when I was bending over and painting low on the wall, you'll notice that it's a little choppy. It's a little cut up. Well, that's because you can see way too much of the crack of my butt. And I just wasn't comfortable with that. So no butt cleavage. We wanted to keep this family friendly. So that's why it's a little choppy there. I thought I'd explain that. And trust me, you don't want to see that. So that's it for today. We will be back tomorrow. And for the Old Guy Network, I am the old guy. You know me. I'm the OG. And I'm out.